Hey all, this is Relio CRM, and this was built with Convex database and Convex Auth. This is a CRM for commercial real estate brokers, used to create call lists or contact lists, keeping track of properties and records. This is the dashboard. You can see the users that are online. You can invite teammates using a code or email. You can view your data by range. We also have tabs here for easier navigation. We have a quick search bar up here that allows you to see some quick information before navigating to that record, as well as our favorites and our records. Um, we have our AI button here that will talk to you about your data. Now, if you are new, you are going to want to update data. So we can go to settings, import, start import, and we're just going to do something quick here. You can take a look at what this kind of looks like here. We can just upload that. We're just going to go straight to the properties here. We'll go to building address, building city, and we'll just leave it at that. Actually, we'll get the state as well. We'll get the state while we're here. So once we import that, you'll see a little toast here, as well as your data. Now, if we go back, we can go into our contacts. Our contacts will have that data that we just imported. This is a full contact with contact details, related contacts, more information. We've got some activity here with some notes. These notes can be replied to or resolved. We've got a portfolio, link contacts, and we can see buyer needs. So we can see some properties that contact might be interested in. If we go to properties here, we can navigate to our map. Now, if we look at our map search here, we can take a look at some properties that we might not have in our database, and we can see a preview of the property as well as some details, owner info, sale history, mortgage history, so on. And if we want to add this property to our database, all we do is select the add property button here, and you can see that property was added to the top here. This was built with Convex, so our database has Convex auth tables, as well as chunks for some of the data that's embedded for AI. And we've got our files that we use to import as well. That's it for my 3 minutes. Thanks.